Okay, here's a little video to show a 3D port that I did recently for the Amiga. So this is based on a 3D engine that I developed myself many years ago. God, about 20 odd years ago, 25 years ago. Yeah, at least 25 years ago. I still had some of the source code on floppy disks. So I managed to kind of pull together a working version because I didn't want it to be lost, basically. So this is not a game. This is just a very simple tech demo. So the 3D engine is called PolyNova3D, and back in the day it was pretty sophisticated. It had animation systems, vertex lighting, texture mapping, all that good stuff, and it was built on DirectX. So I'll run it now. So just talking. So it used to use DirectX, which is not really going to work on the Amiga. So I decided to port a version of OpenGL, software only, so Mesa, OpenGL. And I added OpenGL support to SDL, and then I used that for PolyNova. So the cool thing about PolyNova, this is a very basic version of PolyNova. This is based on version 3. The reason I didn't use a later version of PolyNova is because the Amiga without hardware OpenGL acceleration, it would just be too slow. So this is all software, even the lighting, even the vertex lighting is all software. You can use the function keys to turn lights on and off. And as you can see, in real time, it affects what's lit in the room, which is pretty cool. And you can see that it's using a higher color depth. It's using 16-bit color. To show the color gradients, even though there is some banding because it's only 16-bit and not like 32-bit. This was important for this tech demo. So this couldn't be 8-bit. It couldn't be 256 colors. So this would never run on AGA, I guess, unless you use ham or something. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I've also tried this same Mesa port, OpenGL Mesa port with Quake. AmiQuake didn't work, but I then tried another SDL Quake port, FixQuake, and that runs, but it's very slow. This also has like collision detection, mouse support, which is pretty cool, that I did recently. I'm not planning to do any other updates with this. This is basically as is now, but I have uploaded all the source code, so it's going to be preserved now. What else can I show you? So yes, it has a log file that displays like how many frames per second it's been running at. So it's there. Like I say, yeah, earlier it's 16-bit. You can change the screen resolution and stuff using this ini file, and enable the OpenGL Z buffer if you want. Not that this demo actually needs it. And probably any other thing to discuss is the actual scene file that it uses. So none of this is hard coded. The whole scene is defined in a text file, which you can edit. Everything's triangle based. So yeah, if you're interested, have a look. All the lights are defined down here. So there's different kinds of light sources. PolyNova supports point lights, direct lighting, and ambient global illumination. You can use obviously a combination of those. So there's the direct light and the ambient light, which are both disabled by default in this particular tech demo. So yeah, there you go.